Hi, everyone. Welcome back. It's Thursday already, April 23rd. It would actually be TG's birthday today, so I'm hoping to celebrate with him a little bit today and do some fun stuff, even though we are stuck in quarantine and can't really go out a whole lot yet. Um, so, we are starting a new unit today, and that new unit is on data analysis. So, data analysis just means that you are finding different ways to organize data, um, finding ways to display data by graphs or charts. We'll also talk about mean, median, mode. All of those types of things deal with data analysis. Um, so, I think you'll kind of like this unit, and it's a little less on the computation part of math and more on the analyzing part of math. So some of you will enjoy that. So today we are going to do something pretty simple, which is organizing data by using a line plot. Okay. A line plot's a really simple thing to do. So we're going to look at this first problem. A line plot is just a number line. So really just make a number line, not anything difficult. And you're going to show how often a value occurs on a data set. Okay, and this is just a way to organize the data. When you're given a set of information like this, like student test scores, and they're just kind of random all over the place, people can't read it very well or tell you a lot of information about it. So we're going to create a line plot, and that just really means that you are going to start by having a number line. Okay, and all of this data is numbered by fives. So I numbered my number line by 5. And I don't have to start at 0 because the lowest number up here is 50. Okay, the highest number up here is 100, so I didn't go beyond that. Now, to make that line plot, we're just going to go through the numbers and cross them off as we go and put an X above each number that occurs. Okay, so 90, 50, then we have a 95 and 100. And then we have an 85 and a 90, and a 75 and a 60, and then an 80 and a 65, and an 80 and a 75, and a 100 and an 80. Okay? That makes the data much easier to read, and then we can also answer questions like maybe somebody asked you, what's the highest test score? And it's very easy to tell that 100 is the highest test score. Or what's the lowest test score? And you could very easily tell somebody that the lowest test score is 50. Or maybe they asked what test score occurred the most often, and you would say, well, 80, had 3 people had a score of 80, and 3 people also had a score of 100. So it's easy to tell that. It's also easy to tell the spread of the data. We had some people very much down on the lower end at 50, and then some people on the higher end. So it just really makes it nice and easy for us to read. Okay, so let's try one more. This one is data about how many feet of snow a certain area has gotten each season. Now we have our number line and it's not numbered yet. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly look through this data. And when I look at it, I'm thinking that 1 is the lowest number up here. And I think the highest number that I see is 11. Okay, so I'm going to start by numbering this 1, and then we're going to count to all the way to 11. We're not going to skip any numbers. We want to make sure and use every number in between there. Okay, so we number it all, and then we go ahead and put X's above all the numbers. So 4, 1, and 7, I'll do those first. And then 11, 5, and 11. So I had a 5 and 2 11s. And then 9, 4, and 10. And then 9, 7, and 5. And then 3, 7, and 10. 5, 10, and 9. And finally 6 and 11. Okay. So again, I could ask you some questions like what's the lowest number of feet that this area has gotten? And we would say it's 1, and the highest would be 11. We could also say, have they ever gotten 8 feet of snow? And the answer would be no, because there's no X's there. Or how many seasons did they get 9 feet of snow? And you would say 3, because it's very easy to count the X's. So lots of questions that you could answer based on that line plot. Your homework tonight is going to be to complete a line plot. Cami so far has been working really well for us, so we're going to try that again. You're going to make a line plot on Cami, and then you're going to answer some questions about that line plot. And that's all you'll have to do. So have a great day. We're over halfway through the week. It's Thursday already. Only one more day for the week, and hopefully it's a beautiful weekend out. Have a great day, you guys. Good luck with the homework. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.